I still remember the sharp metal bar digging into my lower back at a friend's apartment. I woke up exhausted, completely rigid, vowing never to sleep on a sofa bed again. But when I moved into a smaller place, I urgently needed a dual-purpose piece. Buying the right one is a total nightmare because most options are either hideous to look at or absolutely agonizing to sleep on. I've spent months personally testing the top models on the market, so you don't have to suffer. Stick around because the number one pick completely changed my mind. Seven, ANONER 60-inch folding sleeper chair sofa bed. When the ANONER sleeper arrived at my door, I was initially impressed by how compactly it was packaged. Unpacking it was a breeze, as it essentially functions as a large, articulated block of foam that comes vacuum sealed. As a piece of furniture, it sits directly on the floor without any legs or traditional frame structure. The fabric is quite soft to the touch, and the cover is fully washable, which I immediately appreciated after accidentally spilling a cup of coffee on it during my first week of testing. The folding mechanism is heavily advertised as a 3-in-1 design, allowing you to use it as a standard floor chair, a lounger, or a flatbed. Transitioning between these modes takes just a few seconds of unfolding the foam blocks. However, in its upright chair position, the backrest relies entirely on leaning against a wall or relying on the internal friction of the foam, which doesn't provide the structural support you would want for a long movie night. It feels more like a casual gaming chair for a teenager's bedroom than a primary living room seat. Testing it as a bed revealed its most significant limitations. Because the mattress sits directly on the floor, getting in and out of it can be difficult for anyone with knee or back issues. The foam itself, while initially plush, compresses far too quickly under adult weight. By the middle of the night, I could feel the hardwood floor pressing against my hips and shoulders. The segmented blocks also tend to separate slightly as you move in your sleep, creating annoying gaps that catch your arms or legs. 6. SUYOLS folding sofa bed. Moving slightly up in size, I brought the SUYOLS into my guest room to see if a thicker memory foam approach would solve the floor sleeper dilemma. This model features a high-density foam construction and comes with a pair of matching pillows. Visually, it looks a bit more put together than the ANONER, resembling a low-profile futon when folded up into its sofa position. The cover material has a pleasant, breathable texture that didn't trap heat, which is often a major issue with budget-friendly foam furniture. The setup process is incredibly straightforward, requiring no tools or heavy lifting. You simply detach the Velcro straps and roll the top layer outward to create a floor-level mattress. The inclusion of the pillows is a nice touch, though they're quite flat and mostly serve as lumbar support when the unit is in the couch position. When sitting on it during the day, the depth of the seat is quite shallow, making it somewhat awkward for taller individuals who might feel like their knees are pushed up toward their chest. When it came time to sleep on the SUYOLS, I encountered similar drawbacks to the previous model, albeit slightly less severe. The memory foam is indeed thicker and more supportive initially, giving a nice contouring sensation when you first lay down. Unfortunately, memory foam is temperature sensitive and softens as it absorbs body heat. By around 3 a.m., the foam had bottomed out under my heavier pressure points. If you're a side sleeper, you will likely wake up with a stiff shoulder, as the foam simply doesn't have the density required to suspend an adult above a hard floor. 5. Yaheetech Convertible Sofa Bed Adjustable Recliner. Stepping away from floor mattresses, I tested the Yaheetech Convertible Sofa Bed, which introduces a traditional elevated frame and metal legs. This futon-style sleeper immediately looks like a piece of actual living room furniture. I tested the faux leather version, and while it doesn't quite feel like top grain hide, it is surprisingly supple and incredibly easy to wipe clean. The stitching feels durable, and the chrome legs give it a sleek, modern aesthetic that fits nicely into contemporary decor without commanding too much visual attention. What makes the Yaheetech interesting is the adjustable split-back mechanism. You can recline one half of the backrest while keeping the other upright, which is perfect if you're watching TV with someone who prefers a different viewing angle. It also features a fold-down middle armrest equipped with 2 built-in cup holders. This small addition made a huge difference during my testing, turning the sofa into a highly functional media room centerpiece. Converting it to a bed is as simple as pushing the backrest all the way forward until it clicks and then dropping it flat. The seating experience is notably firm. If you prefer a couch that you sink deeply into, this will feel much too rigid for your taste, but the firmness translates to decent lumbar support. When converted into a bed, that same firmness actually works to its advantage. Unlike the floor models, you don't sink through the padding to hit the floor. However, because it is a split-back design, there's a noticeable seam running straight down the middle of the sleeping surface. 4. Serta Monroe Modern Convertible Sofa. When you bring a brand name like Serta into the mix, expectations for sleep quality naturally skyrocket, and the Monroe Modern Convertible Sofa does a fantastic job meeting them. From the moment I assembled this piece, I could tell it was in a completely different weight class. Upholstered in a beautiful charcoal gray woven fabric, it boasts a sophisticated mid-century leaning design with tufted cushions and solid wood legs. It completely hides its dual functionality. Looking at it, you would never guess there's a full-size sleeper hidden inside. The conversion mechanism here is a massive upgrade. Instead of just folding the back down, the Monroe utilizes a pull-out deck. You slide the front panel forward and pull up the hidden cushion via a sturdy fabric handle, which seamlessly pops into place to align with the seat cushions. The engineering is incredibly smooth, requiring very little physical effort, and it feels robust enough to handle years of regular use without bending or jamming off its tracks. Sleeping on the Monroe was the first time in my testing process where I felt like I was on a true bed. Because the sleeping surface is created by aligning high-density foam cushions rather than unfolding a thin mattress over metal bars, the support is consistent across the entire footprint. The woven fabric remains breathable throughout the night, and the foam offers a beautiful balance of give and resistance. I slept on this model for 3 consecutive nights and woke up without a single ache or pain. This sofa is perfect for someone who needs a primary living room couch that frequently doubles as a guest bed. 3. Burrow Nomad Sleeper Sofa. Testing the Burrow Nomad Sleeper Sofa was an absolute delight, largely because Burrow has completely rethought how a sofa bed should function. First, the delivery and assembly experience is unmatched. It arrives in a series of manageable boxes, meaning I was easily able to carry it up a narrow flight of stairs by myself, something that is historically impossible with traditional sleeper sofas. The modular locking mechanism allowed me to snap the pieces together in under 20 minutes. It is a stunning piece of furniture, featuring premium fabrics, deep seating, and even a built-in USB charger hidden near the armrest. Instead of hiding a heavy metal frame and a thin mattress under the seat cushions, the Nomad takes a wildly different approach. When you are ready to host a guest, you simply remove the back cushions and unroll the custom Burrow sleep kit. This kit includes a custom-cut memory foam topper that perfectly fits the seat deck, a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, a quilted blanket, and a pillow. It is an incredibly elegant solution that keeps the sofa itself lightweight while ensuring the sleeping surface isn't compromised by folding mechanisms. The sleep experience is remarkably luxurious. Because you are sleeping on the actual seat frame layered with a specialized memory foam topper, there are absolutely no metal bars or springs digging into your back. The sleeping surface is firm, deeply supportive, and surprisingly spacious. The memory foam topper breathes well, and the included bedding is exceptionally high quality, feeling just like premium hotel linens. It took me less than 3 minutes to transition the living room into a guest room. 2. American Leather Langdon Comfort Sleeper. Moving into the ultra-premium category, I spent a week with the American Leather Langdon Comfort Sleeper, and it fundamentally altered my understanding of what a sofa bed can be. This is a heavy, substantial, and masterfully crafted piece of furniture. You can customize it with dozens of top-grain leathers or high-end fabrics, and the build quality is immediately apparent in the flawless stitching and structural rigidity. As a couch, the Langdon is deep, plush, and incredibly inviting, offering the kind of sink-in comfort that makes you want to cancel your evening plans. The true magic of the Langdon lies inside its frame. It utilizes a patented Tiffany 24/7 sleep system, which is entirely different from the traditional trampoline-style pullouts. There are no metal bars and no squeaky springs. When you pull the mechanism out, it glides effortlessly and unfolds a solid wood platform. Resting on this platform is a full-length, high-density mattress. Furthermore, the design allows the mattress to extend fully without taking up as much floor space in the room as older sleeper models, making it incredibly efficient for tighter apartments. Sleeping on a Langdon is virtually indistinguishable from sleeping in a master bedroom. The solid wooden base provides unparalleled structural support, completely eliminating the sagging effect that ruins most sofa beds. I tested it with the gel-infused foam mattress option, and it slept incredibly cool while contouring perfectly to my spine. I honestly forgot I was sleeping in a living room. It provides the kind of restorative, deep sleep that you can confidently offer to your older relatives or guests with sensitive backs. The only barrier to the Langdon is its substantial cost, as it is a luxury investment piece. 1. Article: Nordby Sofa Bed. The Nordby features a stunning Scandinavian minimalist aesthetic with clean lines, beautifully textured fabric, and a low-profile silhouette that instantly elevates any room. Unlike many sleepers that look bulky or slightly awkward in their proportions, the Nordby is undeniably chic. As a daily sofa, it features incredibly deep seating and high-density foam cushions that offer a luxurious, lounge-worthy experience that is perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows. The mechanism used in the Nordby is a trundle-style pop-up, and it is arguably the most user-friendly design I have ever tested. You grab the hidden handle on the bottom panel, roll it smoothly forward on its hidden tracks, and lift slightly. The hidden cushion pops up and locks securely into place, perfectly flush with the seat deck. It transforms from a stylish sofa to a massive, sprawling sleep surface in less than 5 seconds, requiring almost zero physical strain. It is elegant, quiet, and brilliantly engineered. When deployed as a bed, the sleeping surface is massive and continuous. Because it doesn't rely on unfolding a thin, compromised mattress, you're sleeping on the same high-quality, dense foam that makes the couch so comfortable. There are no bars, no dips, and no awkward creases right where your lower back rests. It provides a medium-firm feel that is incredibly supportive for both back and side sleepers. I found myself purposefully choosing to sleep on the Nordby over my own bed just to enjoy the expansive, supportive space it offered. The article Nordby wins the top spot because it achieves the holy grail of sofa beds. It is a gorgeous piece of furniture that you'll be proud to display. It is priced reasonably for its outstanding build quality, and it delivers a genuinely fantastic sleeping experience.